Hello everyone, welcome to DGN English classes, English Speaking Practice Part 3. Around a year ago, I didn't know English well, and people used to tease me for it. However, one day I made the decision to learn English and put in a lot of effort to improve. It was challenging in the beginning, with people making fun of me and struggling to understand the language. However, I made a firm decision to make English my friend. In the beginning, it felt like a mountain was about to collapse, but I didn't give up. I tried every day to learn new words and talk to people. I showed courage and determination facing every difficulty. Friends' smiles and applause boosted my courage. Sometimes it felt like I couldn't understand anything, but I didn't give in. I joined online classes, started watching English movies, and listening to songs, taking one step forward every day. I learned from every mistake and gradually achieved my goal. When people saw the effort I put in, their perspective changed. Today, when I speak fluent English, I remember the moments when someone didn't let me deviate from my goal. In this journey, I discovered myself, believed in myself, and proved that hard work and determination are the keys to overcoming any difficulty. Now, it's time to learn some new words from the story. Collapse, अचानक ढह जाना या टुकड़े टुकड़े हो जाना. Determination, दृढ़ निश्चय. Applause, वाहवाही या शाबाशी. Gradually, धीरे धीरे. Perspective, दृष्टिकोण. Deviate, भटकना. Subscribe for more.